I'm gonna use the Spider IDE here. I'm using the Spider IDE for doing the coding session. And as you can see, I set my path Python course folder. In the Python course folder, I make a subfolder bagging folder, and there I make a bagging.py Python file where I'm gonna show you that how you can use this bagging technique for the getting more accurate answer. So first of all, I import the bagging classifier from the ensemble module in the sklearn library. Then I import the decision tree classifier from the tree model in the sklearn library, and then I import the pandas library. Then I import the wine data set, get the feature matrix and the prediction vector, target vector. Then I import printf split function and get my training set and the testing set. Then I normalize my whole data set, train set, test set, and the whole data set. Then I import the base classifier, which is decision tree classifier, and I specify the number of trees like 10. And here I specify the bagging classifier. Base estimator is base class, which is decision tree classifier, and the n estimator is num trees, which is 10 estimators. And there I fit my model, and you can see the score on the test data set. It is giving 1. So here I'm using the decision tree classifier. You can also use any other classifier like k and n. Like you can use the from neighbors, import k nearest neighbors, import that, and just use this. So here I write the k. Here I'm using the k nearest neighbors classifier, and num trees is 10, which is the number of classifiers of this. KNN is 10 classifier, 10 model of this KNN algorithm, and I make a model of that bagging model fitting on it, and see the score. I get my score is 0.9333, which is 93.3%. So this is about the bagging, how you can implement the bagging in the Python, and you can use any other algorithm. Just import that algorithm, make a object of that class, and make an object of that class. And you, by using the bagging classifier, you can just make a model of that bagging. And rather than using bagging, you can just write. You can use also bagging regressor for solving the regression problem. For that, you have to use like you have to use the regressor algorithms like KNN regressor, K nearest neighbor regressor, K neighbors regressor. And this is how you can solve a regression problem also by using the bagging techniques. So that's all for the today's session where we talk about the bagging and the boosting. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.